GRT's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move after that aggressive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.22. And at the time of this recording, we have now lost a significant key area of support above the 0.2118, and also lost the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And in today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts, give you my breakout target areas, and also areas that we need to see a break back above for us to still expect higher prices on the GRT chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of July when we saw this massive breakdown move, giving us a low below the 0.1532. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that gave us a pullback into this minimum target area for the second wave. And after we fully maximized that target area, we started an aggressive bounce to the upside in what I'm now terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas were given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that gave me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2225, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized. And there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3. And whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a bit of a pullback in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4, before we can see another aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 5. And if that is the case, and maybe we have a high in place in this wave 3, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, I get a minimum target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382. which perfectly lies between the 0.1995 and the 0.1927, which is the area over here. And this is the area within which we can expect that pullback in that Elliot wave count 4 to get us back into. And once we have a low in place in this wave 4, then I will be expecting another impulsive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5. We also need to have in mind that maybe we might not see that deeper pullback into this target area over here, and that can only happen in case GRT is able to break above resistance on the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart, and also break above the 0.2118 with a retest. And once that plays out, then I will have my eyes on this significant high in this wave 3 above the 0.02225. And the moment we manage to break above that significant high, that will be confirming that whatever we have over here is a shallow Elliot wave count 4, and we have started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 5 lies back above the 0.026, which is an area that we can expect to fully maximize in the next coming days. So for now, we need to continue paying attention to that key area of resistance at the 0.0211618, because if we get rejected once again over here, expect a pullback into this target area over here. Get a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4 before we can bounce back, breaking above resistance, and put a high in place in this Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.